Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to build this dashboard using AI tools. So we're going to use like 3 different AI tools to build dashboard and reports. And trust me, you want to come along. This is the data set we're going to be using, and you'll find it in the description below if you want to follow along. All right, then let's begin. And we are going to start with the first AI tool called Bricks. So when you go to Bricks.com, right, then you're going to have to log in. So click on login and you have to log in to the free version. So when you log in, I'm already logged in. So just click on dashboard and reports. So when you click on dashboard and reports, then you can click on import flat file. Then we are going to select the file that we are going to import. So we're going to import this billionaires data. Then we're going to click on open. So now what is going on is that it's generating the dashboard and reports. So guys, now our dashboard is ready. Our dashboard and reports is ready. So see the title, Global Billionaires Insight Dashboard, and then you are going to see the overview. You're going to, let me just cancel this. So we are going to see the overview, the insights, right? So the overview of the dashboard, the insights gotten from the analysis, and then you're going to see KPIs, highest net worth, blah blah blah. So you're going to see these are the analysis that was done and the report. So for this is the key insights, for this is the key insights, and so on and so forth. There's even a table down here for you, so you can also edit these things, right? You can edit them. So if you just come here, click on this, you can either edit the title or you click on this edit. When you click on this edit, you can change what you want to group it by, right? So this is age and count, right? Age group and then count. So you can decide to change it, right? You can decide to change it to a different field, okay? And then you can also decide to change it to a different chart. This is bar, and you can decide to change to vertical bar chart or whatever chart you want to change it to, okay? Then when you are done, you can just click on save to board. So for this billionaire count by industry, we are going to try to edit it. I think this is better for editing. So I'll click on edit. So see, this one has more fields. You can group it by, unlike the first one. So you can decide to remove industry or person name and, just maybe drag and drop, right? And it will be added, drag and drop. So you can change the group by, you can group it by something different, or even remove this and group it by whatever you want to group it by. And you can also change the charts as I mentioned before. And when you're done making any changes you want to make, you click on save to board. So guys, isn't this beautiful? Like, isn't this amazing? You can literally create a dashboard and report using this AI tool, and you can even edit it and group it by whatever you want based on the project objectives that you have. So you can also go to data. When you go to that, is the data set. You can go to dashboard data. When you go to dashboard data, you're going to see what's happening here. So this is the KPI values. This is the industry gender breakdown. This is the top countries by wealth, top 10 billionaires and their final wealth and their final worth, right? Yes. And you can add new data sets. So you can go back to dashboard, right? You can go back to dashboard just like this. So isn't this wonderful? This is amazing. Okay, so now we'll be going to the next tool that you can use to build dashboard and reports for your analysis. So guys, this is the website. Okay, so I've already logged into this AI website. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'll come here, click on this plus upload a file. So I'm going to upload a file we are to use. Okay, so I'm getting file of the following format is not supported, SLXX. So what we have to do is that we are going to change our file to a CSV file. So I'll go to Excel. I'll go to Excel. So what I'm doing now is that I'm going to import my file into Excel so that I can convert it to a CSV file. There are many ways to do this. But this is how I chose to do mine. So I'm going to click on browse. But before that, let me change it to, I'll come here, then I'll change it to CSV. Then I'll now click on browse and then select where I want it to be stored. I'll save it as downloads and click on save. Now I've saved it as what? A CSV file. So I can go back here to upload it properly. Now I'm going to upload it. and you see it's uploaded. So in case you have that issue, this is what you can do about it. So now I'm going to give it a prompt. So this is the prompt I'm going to give it. So here is some data on billionaires in CSV format. Can you analyze and suggest 2 KPIs and 4 visuals to create a world billionaires dashboard? Also, explain why you chose each metrics. Then I'm going to click on this. Okay, so it has done that for us. Now we're going to ask it to visualize it for us. So we're going to be using this prompt. I'll be posting this prompt in my description. So if you want to use the same prompt, go to my description and copy it. But the thing is that this prompt might not give you exactly the result it gave me. That's one thing about AI, just so you know. So I'm going to, this is the next prompt we are going to use. So we're going to ask it to create a dashboard with these KPIs and visualization using HTML. The dashboard should use this HTML, JavaScript, and with charts.js. So the thing is that this, I realized that this HTML and JavaScript has, like, it's best to use this for the charts. Just gives the better charts. Okay, then I'll click on this. So guys, see the dashboard that was created for us from this AI tool. So this is the total billionaire wealth, self-made billionaires, graphic distribution, all region, can select North America, Asia, Europe, and all that. The key inside the industry breakdown, age versus wealth analysis, top 20 billionaires, and all that. So one thing about this AI in particular is that you are not able to edit it, right? You can't really edit this dashboard. You just get it as you see it. You just have to take it as you see it. But if you want to make any changes to it, you have to make changes to it here. This is where you make changes to it. So if you want to change anything here, you have to write a prompt to make this AI to make any changes for you here. So if you want to group it by whatever, anything you want to group it by, you can write the code and the prompt here for that to happen. And this is the, you can do this to get the code of the HTML and JavaScript code that made everything happen. But this is the dashboard, guys. I hope you're really enjoying this video. If you are, subscribe to this channel, like it, leave a comment, but don't stop, because I'm going to now tell you the disadvantages of these AI tools at the end of this video. Now we are moving into the last AI tool for this video. So we are going to go to ChatGPT, and then we are going to click on add photos. We are going to import the import the file we want to make use of. I'm going to come here and I'll paste the prompt and I'll click on this. So yeah, so this is suggested KPI and it's for suggested visualization. Now we're going to ask it to create the visual for us, right, using the same prompt, and then we're going to click on enter. So we're going to ask it to provide this as an HTML downloadable file. Okay guys, so the download the file is here, so just click on it, download it, then open it. So when you open it, you see what it created for us. You can see what ChatGPT did for us. The KPIs are just 2, and then we can't even see, like, it's just messed up, like it just messed up. So we just have a lot of charts on top of each other. It's not really looking good. So this is just to tell you that among these 3 KPIs, Bricks is like the best, right? It's like the best. So, and this doesn't look so good for you to actually give to your stakeholders to look at. Now we're going to talk about the limitations of this AI. The first limitation is that it is not well integrated with Excel. Like, it's not integrated with the tools that we use, like Excel and Power BI. So that is one of the limitations. The second limitation is that it doesn't work with large data sets. When data set is large, it takes long time. It takes longer time for it to load and work for you. So large data sets, it doesn't work well for with it. Then the last limitation is privacy issues. Companies don't trust AI. They cannot allow you to use AI to analyze their company data. So that is the 3 limitations we have with these AI tools. So that is for me to tell you that still using your Power BI to build your dashboard is a go-to. So just continue using your Power BI to build your dashboard. Maybe AI is going to get better, but for now, they are not taking over anything. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video. Bye.